name's Jay Atkins. Welcome to Nerd Planet. I'm the Alpha Nerd with Nerd Planet, and I'm up here today with my partner, Rich Westgard. Is your mic working? Mic's not working.
Talk loud.
Okay, we'll just talk loud since we're a little behind. Today I'm going to introduce a whole new way to deal with your technology issues. How many people here have had a computer problem? That's what I thought. Well, okay, everybody else is liars, but okay. Either that or you don't know you had a computer problem. All right, well, yeah, computers are great, but they do have issues. When you buy them, they don't have your stuff on them and you can't use them. When you need them most, they don't work, as seen here. When you get rid of them, or when you want to get rid of them, they've got all your stuff on them and you can't really dispose of them very well. So, unfortunately, the whole process hasn't really changed with how you fix computers in about 15 years. It's very human intensive, it's very manual. You really have three options. You can bring your computer into a premium service like Geek Squad, who we have here in the back, which is great. You can spend the time fixing it yourself, and there you're spending your time, and that's very precious. Or you can have the family nerd, like myself and Rich, fix your problems for you.
Well, no offense to Geek Squad folks, but I don't think I like any of those options.
Well, neither do I. So what we've done is we've put together a platform that is able to solve very complex human-intensive issues that we think you can do yourself with about the same complexity as pay at the pump when you buy your gasoline. So, one thing that you'll notice when you come to nerdplanet.com is that you can also buy stuff from us, and that's by design. We wanted to have a site where you didn't have to go digging for some technical site. You can fix your computer the same place you bought it. And yes, you can buy your computers from us if you would like. So, all right. Today Today we're going to demo our service, and we're still up and running, so that's good. Our first service, which is Zero, which is a service that you can use to wipe out your PC, back up and wipe your PC before you get rid of it. And for non-technical folks in the audience, it's something that you really want to do because you've got a lot of sensitive data on your machine. So, Zero is in public beta today. It's free, so you can just click download from the details screen. And it's very easy to do. You would have to create an account. But that's very easy too. We need that so that we can back up your stuff properly. So just download and run it. And this is our main service delivery application. This is called Launchpad, and it is going to create a custom service and perform all of the actions required that would normally require a human on your PC. All right. So after validating your order and clicking next. You do have to agree with everything our lawyers have to say.
We have great lawyers. We trust them.
So, all right. So go ahead and click next. And here's where it gets super complicated. We need to know if this is the computer you want to work on. If you don't know this, we can't really help you. You probably should back away and I believe we sell paper and notebooks at Nerd Planet as well. But technology is not for you. But anyway, it's a pretty easy question. And we have to ask this question because if it's not, this will also create a disk or a USB drive that you can plug into a computer that can't connect to the internet so that you can fix it that way. So if you've got something lying around in your closet, you're not out of luck. All right. The next question is, again, do you want to back up anything? We have several methods to back up your stuff, and we don't just back up your files. we're able to back up all of the things that might be important to you, such as your applications, your software keys that are buried in your computer, all your settings, drivers, anything that you might need in the future. And this ties into our other service, which not only wipes things out, but can put them back, which will be available shortly. Here we all right. So we're not going to back up anything. We do have some really, really nice progress bars that you can look at if you choose to back up your stuff. But we're going to skip that today, and we're just going to say that I don't want to back up anything. All right. And while that's downloading, hopefully that will finish in time. If it doesn't, the internet here is a little bit slow. But there really isn't much after this. There's one more screen that simply that you click finish and it reboots your machine. And what we do is we get your operating system out of the way so that we can do the hard work in a known good environment. And so after you reboot, we boot into this environment, and this is Xero. This is the application that will wipe out everything on your hard drives. And I'm not going to do this. I'm having enough problems with this right now that I don't want to wipe it out. So that is how Xero works. But for those of you who think that that's really complicated, we also want to give a preview of what's coming in the next couple months, which will be released with our rebuild service, alongside our rebuild service. And that's the ability to do this all, is it going to come on? No? Oh, that is the ability to do this all from your phone or mobile device. So how this works is it's very similar, except you don't go to the website. You just bring the app up on your phone. You can buy it. Again, this Xero will be free if you want to use that. Plug your computer into your wireless network at home and just connect your iPhone to the internet. And what will happen is your PC will then boot directly to your phone, and we're able to deliver your services directly that way. So are we out of time? Okay. All right. So anyway, we are in public beta today. We encourage any feedback and advice that you might have for us. We're getting everything solidified, and hopefully we'll have a bunch of services out there for everybody to use shortly.